Now we'll start with exercise 4.6. You have to draw this figure in your notebooks with the help of a compass and mark point O in the center. Draw AC, diameter of the circle, and from O draw OB, that is the radius which touches the center and circumference of the circle. Here is a point Q which is exterior, outside of the circle. One point is P which is in the circle, interior of the circle, and there is one chord ED. Chord is any line which touches the circle at two given points, that is called chord. So in that way AC is also a chord. Diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. Now we come to the questions of this. Question number 1, part A. You have to name the center. That is, your answer is O. B part is name 3 radii. 3 radii are OA, OB and OC. These are the 3 radii. Now next part is a diameter. There is only one diameter, AC. We will write AC for diameter. Next is a chord. So we have ED as chord. Next is points in interior. Look at the circle carefully. Circle के अंदर जो points हैं, they are points in interior. So you can see point O is interior and point P is also in interior. O and P. Next, a point in exterior. So look here, point Q is exterior of the circle. Next is a sector. Now what is a sector? Sector is that part of the circle which has 2 radii and an arc of the circle. So this portion is sector of this circle. This is OAB. So sector is OAB. Now last one is segment. Segment is the area of the circle with one line and an arc. So this portion is segment of the circle. This is ED and you can put an arc over it. Now second question is, a part of that, is every diameter of a circle a chord? मैंने आपको पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी बताया, this is the diameter of the circle और ये सर्कल को 2 पॉइंट्स पे टच कर रहा है, so it is also a chord. So answer to our A part is yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. Now B part is every chord of a circle a diameter? Now look at this chord. Can we call it diameter? No, because diameter क्या होता है? Diameter passes through the center of the circle, and any chord, wherever it is, all the chords they are not passing through the center of the circle. So all the chords they are not called diameters. Now question number 3 is, draw any circle and mark its center. So here we have drawn a circle. This is the center point where our compass point is, and we mark it O. So our center is O. Now we have to mark a radius. So this we have drawn a diameter. Here we mark radius. Let it be OA. So radius is OA. Now C part is we have to draw a diameter. Look here. This line is diameter. It is touching the circle at both ends and passing through the center. and we can name it BOC. So diameter is BC. Now a sector. I already told you what a sector is. Sector is when two radii and arc between them. This whole area is called sector. Right? So sector is OAB. This is our sector. Now E part is a segment. Segment is any portion of the circle between arc and chord. So here we have drawn this chord. Let us name it as DE. So this portion is a segment, that is DE. Now F point is a point in its interior. So what is interior? It is inside the circle. किसी भी जगह पे इस सर्कल के अंदर. We are marking a point and let us name it P. So a point in the interior of the circle is P. Now G part is a point in its exterior. Exterior means outside the circle. Circle के बाहर कहीं भी. We are marking it here and let us name it Q. So here our point which is exterior to the circle is Q. Now last part is an arc. So what is an arc? Arc is any portion of the circle. Like it is from D to B or B to A or A to C or C to E or D to E. Any portion of the circle, उसकी circumference पे किसी भी दो points के बीच का portion, that is an arc. So here we can say point B to A, this is an arc. Move on to question number 4 of exercise 4.6. That is true and false question. A part is two diameters will necessarily intersect. Now look at this circle. If we draw any of the diameters, diameter means any line which pass through the center. You see all these lines, they are passing through this center. So we will say that yes, this statement is true. All the diameters will intersect at one point. Our B part is the center of a circle is always in its interior. Look at this part. This is the center of the circle and this is inside the circle. Circle के अंदर है वो point, बाहर नहीं है. So this is also true. With this we finish our exercise. If you like this video, do subscribe and share.